الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والأسر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر صدق الله العظيم.
To explore the themes of mathematical wonders. Mathematics is more than just numbers. It's the language that reveals patterns, shapes, and even the mysteries of our world. Let's dive into some fascinating ways math appears all around us.
Have you ever noticed how some things in nature just seem perfect? That's often because of a special number called the golden ratio, about 1.618. This ratio appears in so many places such as stars and seashells to galaxies. For example, look at a sunflower. The pattern of the seeds follows the golden ratio.
Another incredible pattern we see in the nature is the Fibonacci sequence. Starts with 0 and 1, and each real number is the sum of 2 before it.
You can find it in pine cones, pineapple, or even hurricanes. It's like nature built in code.
Now let's talk about how math shapes our cities and buildings. Architects use mathematical principles to design buildings that are not only beautiful but also strong and functional. Symmetry, for instance, is used to make buildings look balanced and pleasing to the eye.
One famous example is Parthenon in Greece. Its columns are spaced using exact mathematical proportions to give it its iconic look. Another famous example is the Eiffel Tower. Its structure is carefully calculated to balance weight and withstand strong winds.
Even modern skyscrapers use geometry to maximize space, lighting, and stability. So math is essential in architecture, help us create structures that are both safe and stunning.
Maths in medicine. Maths is also crucial in medicine. For example, doctors use maths to calculate the right dosage of medicine based on a patient's weight and health. Without these calculations, treatment wouldn't be as safe or effective.
Statistics. Another branch of math is used in medical research to analyze data from trials and chambers. This helps doctors understand how effective treatments are and what side effects might occur. These numbers can be life-saving.
Maths also plays a role in medical imaging, such as MRIs and CT scans. These machines use complex mathematical algorithms to create detailed images of our bodies, allowing doctors to diagnose issues more accurately. Isn't it incredible how math contributes to saving lives?
Let's move to something we see every day. For example, time. Have you ever noticed the symmetry in clocks? If you split a clock face down in the middle, it would be the same from both sides, showing the perfect balance. This symmetry helps us tell the time quickly. We also see symmetry in art design and even in how our faces are perceived. Symmetry is a mathematical principle that helps things look organized and balanced, whether it's in a painting or a well-designed building.
Next time you look at a building, a clock, or a piece of art, notice how summary is all around us.
We hope that you like exploring these mathematical wonders with us. Math is everywhere around us. It's a reminder that math isn't just something to learn in school. It's a part of our world. Thank you for joining us and have a wonderful day.